Did you know that there's 8 different positions in the arm technique for flamenco and Spanish dance? Let me show them in the next video. Hi there, it's Maria Vega here with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. Do you know the 5 positions of the arms in classical ballet? In Spanish dance and flamenco, we use the same positions as a baseline, but we add a little bit more. We have 8 positions for the arms. Knowing these positions and working them in the correct way will give you the proper foundation for all the movements you want to create while you're dancing. Let me give you a gentle reminder of how your body should be positioned every time you're dancing. Shoulders are back and down in a relaxed way. Your core should be engaged and your spine should be in a neutral position, nor like this, nor like that. Core engaged, you will be perfectly safe and fine. Okay, so that is my baseline position of my body with the first position. First position goes here. As a guideline, you should have your hands at the same height as your stomach. Never go at the same height as your chest. Here. Second position. Arms wide open. Be careful with your elbows. It's always the trickiest part of this position because they tend to do this when we get tired. Third position. We actually have 2 variations for the third position. The first one is one arm in first position, second arm in second position. That's with one side and the other. Third position. The variation for this position is that the arm that was in the first position can go on the 5th position, so on the top of your head. This is also your 3rd position. 4th position, so one of your arms goes to the 1st position and the other will go to the 5th position. That's your 4th position. Remember to always keep your core engaged and your chest projecting. 5th position. Your arms should be on the top of your head, but slightly to the front. A great tip to know that you are in the right position is that you can see your hands even when you're not looking at them. If I'm too far back, I cannot see my hands with the corner of my eye. If I'm in the right position, I can definitely see them. Here is the right position for the 5th. Here is too far back. Also, be careful with the elbows. They tend to do this. 6th position. As we explained before, is also called the preparatory one. 7th position, and this one is specifically used in classical Spanish dance or danza estilizada and in flamenco. One arm goes at the top of your head in your 5th position and the other one goes to the side of your body. So it's kind of from a 3rd position, you can think about going down with your hand. Here is your 7th position. classical Spanish and flamenco position. 7. You have another variation where you have this arm in the first position. And last but not least, the 8th position, which is this one. Let me show you sideways. Your 8th position is very similar to your 6th position, but with your arms in your back. Now you know what are the basic positions that you should learn and work on in order to achieve a good arm technique, braceo. But now let me show you how I play around with these positions in flamenco and Spanish dance. First position. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Going back to a second. 6th position. 7th. 8th. That's a challenging one. This is just an example. The limit is really your imagination. I really hope you find this video useful. If you did, please hit like. You can also follow me on social media as Maria Vega Dancer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!